Super fast. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in. Whoa! Wow! Oh, dearie me! Unbelievable. The rear. The start of this session, Santi Hernandez can't believe it. Unbelievable. What an incident for the 8 times world champion. I'm so happy the reporter is on his feet. I mean, he must have been 12, 15 feet in the air there, the Repsol Honda man.
Whoa. Bruising weekend for the 8 times world champion. We've already discussed in this session the approach he's likely to take today. Will that perhaps give him a little bit of food for thought? Maybe it's a little bit...